Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Bumble Boost or Premium subscription is not working, follow these steps. First, make sure that you're logged in into the correct Bumble account used for the purchase. Subscriptions do not transfer between accounts. Then, go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and check your active subscriptions. Click on your profile, go to subscription, and check for active subscriptions there. Confirm that Bumble is listed and active. Next, restart the Bumble app and wait a few minutes for subscriptions to sync. If features still do not unlock, use the restore purchase option if available. As a final step, contact Bumble support with your purchase receipts. Subscription issues are usually fixed after syncing or restoring the purchase, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.